THESIZE is a fairly young company, started operations in the end of 2009. However, the direction team has over 50 years experience combined. You add that to a sizable investment in R&D and technology, and you get Neolith, which is our star product, which we manufacture through a process called sinterization, which basically translates into high pressure and high temperature, giving Neolith technical properties superior to any other product right now in the market, which has allowed THESIZE to be present in these 5 years in 60 different countries, selling to end customers ranging from architectural and design studios, kitchen and bath, natural stone distributors, etc., etc. But always from day one until today, we've had the same goal, which was to stay ahead of the curve and differentiate ourselves from the competition with quality, design, and innovation. So Neolith is made of 100% natural products, quartz, clay, feldspar, mineral oxide, which these components are basically pressed at approximately 400 kilos per square centimeter, which makes all the oxygen particles come out, making Neolith non-porous, which this is already a huge advantage when talking about, for example, stain. Any contaminating agents like wine, olive oil, or any acid, it will not penetrate the product, so it will not stain. Even for graffiti, even if somebody graffitis on the wall, it's very easy and clean. After that, it goes through a decoration phase in which we can replicate any sort of material like a natural stone, iron, wood to a perfect definition, which is already a huge advantage again, because when you compare it to marble, for example, the characteristics that Neolith has against marble, they're much more superior. And after the decoration phase, it goes into an oven, very long oven, which the temperature gradually ascends up to 1,200 degrees. And it's then when the sinterization process occurs, which is all the particles basically get mashed together, giving all this resistance to scratch, heat resistance, flexibility, impact, and wind power tests, for example, are off the charts. And well, it's a new product category that we like to call compact sinter surface, and it's doing quite well at the moment. The applications we can use Neolith for, there are various. We can use it from flooring, for example, interior and exterior, cladding for external facade, for example, and there is a huge use right now, for example, in ventilated facade, which is for green buildings. You can save up to 60% energy bills, and it can range to also, for example, furniture, tables, kitchen countertops, bathrooms. Applications are many, and you can let your imagination run well. Firstly, I think the product it's worth it. I think experts in the field, like architects or designers, they understood the characteristics of the product, and they actually think it's a worth winner. But I think the reasons are actually the team behind the development of the product, starting from the sales team, which located the demand of the customer, what they actually wanted, to the design team, of course, for coming up with this extraordinary design, and then to the production team for putting all those thoughts into the actual product. So I think really it's a combined effort, and it's been a good year trying to get there.